It's another happy day!
What are you doing? Thank you.
Let's see what fun is happening in Construction Town.
Huh? Bye!
Watch out, little tractor. That's a risky way to pass.
Look at this!
Careful! There's a speed bump up ahead. Oh no! The little tractor bumped into the streetlight.
What happened? It's disappeared.
Tractor.
Come here. Okay.
Excavator and tow truck, hurry! Let's pick up the cargo.
Clamshell excavator.
It's my time. Very nice. Thank you very much.
Crane truck.
Oh my god!
The crane calls the rescue team. Come fix the streetlight.
Thank you.
Yes, yes.
Are you ready? Okay.
Police car.
Let's go!
Here comes the police car, leading the rescue team to the scene.
What happened? Thank you. Okay.
First, set up the cones and make a safe zone.
Drill truck.
It's my time. Cool.
Excavator.
I got it.
Dump truck.
Come here. Okay.
Mixer truck.
Are you ready? Good job.
With teamwork, the construction vehicles put up a shiny new
It's
streetlight.
amazing. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.